Okay, you guys, let me show you how your test is going to work. So pay attention. First things first, you're going to go on Google Classroom. On Google Classroom, you will find a link. That link is what's going to take you to your test. I am not going to go on Google Classroom for this example because it wouldn't work for me since I'm the teacher. Instead, I'm just going to go to the link itself. So you're going to go on Google Classroom, you're going to click on the link. This link will take you to a page that looks like this. It will ask for your email. Please use your school email. Again, for this example, I cannot use my school email since you see that's where I made it. So you will write your school email right here. I'm going to use this other one. And then you're going to click on Get Your Link. They will then email you a link to your school email. So then you'll need to go to your school email to find that link. As you see, they just sent it to me. So you'll open your email and you'll see a new email and it will be called G6 Unit 8 Test. And you will click on Open Your Link. All right, almost there. You'll see that you'll have 45 minutes to do your test. You are restricted to those 45 minutes, so please do your test during that time. It might show you something that looks like this, telling you sign in with Google organization account, meaning sign in with your school email just to make sure that you're the right person. So you click on that. Sign on to that email that you're using. So it would be your school email. For me, it's this one right now. All right. Now that you are confirmed, now that you have confirmed that you're using your school email, you go back to that link, and then it'll show you a new button on the bottom. It says Open the Form. You just have to go through this process to make sure that you are that person, that you have access to your school email. So you'll click here first to sign in with Google. You'll sign in to your school email, and then you'll go back to this link that you were at originally, and then you can click Open the Form. Once you open the form, then that starts your test. Hope that's helpful. I'm not going to click it, otherwise you'll see the test. So you click on Open the Form, and then you go ahead and begin your test. And again, it is restricted with time, so please be ready to complete your test during that time. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. All right. Make good choices, and happy studying.